Hey, and doing the 64, another thing that we have at Caddy Daddy, new gas tanks. And straps are available too. These bolt to the body. They have 4 locations. And I tell you, when you're dealing with a car of this vintage, or an earlier one, or any one of your Cadillacs, having a new gas tank makes a world of difference. So much crud and stuff is built up in there. It affects your carburetor, it affects your engine. So, putting a new one in, what's nice, it also has a bolt that we can loosen, take the fuel out of there, and then you have something fresh. So, we got them for you.